got the tornado watch in effect.
Lake County, Illinois, Will County, McHenry County, King County, Kendall County. Tonight, windy. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the evening, then rain and snow likely after midnight. Storm total snow accumulation around an inch. Breezy. Turning sharply colder. Lows in the lower 20s. Temperatures rising into the lower 30s after midnight. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour in the evening, becoming northwest and increasing to 20 to 30 miles per hour after midnight. Gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Wednesday, windy. Mostly cloudy with a slight chance of snow in the morning, then sunny in the afternoon. Blustery and much colder with highs in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Wednesday night, clear.
Yeah, you can see the severe storm threat today.
West winds 10
Approximately
to 15
cold
miles
front.
per hour. Thursday, sunny.
And then expected
Highs in the
snow
lower
expected
40s.
Wednesday.
Southwest winds 5
Severe
to 10
potential
miles per hour in the
translations
morning,
will now turn
becoming
into
south and
snows.
increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Thursday night,
Malfunction
clear.
all
Blustery with
affected
lows
the
in the
severe
lower
weather
30s.
tonight.
South winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles.
Illinois County.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 25, effective until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from
And Wisconsin
Winthrop,
also have,
to Winthrop
looks like
Harbor,
Wisconsin
Illinois,
also have a
5
tornado
nautical
watch
miles
in
offshore
effect.
to Mid-Lake, Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly
And there's
Island,
only one
Illinois,
county in
Northerly
Iowa,
Island to
Scott.
Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Kenosha and Walworth. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring.
Looks like a tornado watch is in effect. Alexa, notifications.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Orland Hills. It'll be in effect until February 27th, 10 p.m. CST.
Nothing there yet.